Hey there everybody, welcome back yet to another video of mine. Today we are installing this little puppies right here, the brake and clutch levers, and it's the first time with me, so I will get you through all the process, what you need to look out for, what you need to use. I don't think there are screws in there, so I guess we need to use the OEM screws right here and right there. But yeah, we will see. Let's get them out of here. I choose black and gold because the bike is a little bit of black, will fit the handlebars, and also the gold just for the golden forks. So let me see what I need here and there, and then we will get started. So what do we need? We would start with the clutch lever or clutch lever. So we need a 10mm nut or socket and a flathead screwdriver. If it fits, yeah, it fits. Maybe we just oh, that's difficult. Wait. Okay, I need the socket. We put the bike like this, so it's easier. But it's not biting. Why is it not biting? That's weird. Let me see, do we have something different? But it is not a 9, it is a 10. But it's just not biting. Maybe we use the bigger one. There you go. Now let me see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just the bigger one. Has more power to it. So, screw this one off. And now, we can screw the top one off. Wow, it's still hard. Well, let me see. You know. Okay, like so. Please don't fall off. Alrighty. We'll put this to the side now. And then we will make sure we put this away so we can work on freely. And then just need to get the cable out of here by doing so. Yeah, and it's gone. Yeah, right there. Very nice. I would switch this ugly one for a new sexy one. So same procedure. Getting this thing back on here. Like this. And boom. This looks promising. Oh, let me see. Yeah, this looks good. And then we will just put the screw back in, like so. There you go. Just not too tight. I'll give it a little bit like this. Just not too tight, because it needs a little bit of play. So now we putting back this on. And this sucker doesn't want to come off first, so we take the bigger socket. It's still a 2mm, but I have way more leverage. Okay, like so. Make it all dirty, man. So, there you go. I just don't like how this is looking here, but we need to hide it somehow. And then we make it on the biggest adjustment, like this. Yeah, way better. And if you're crashing, they're going to the side. So you're good with that one. First side, looking good, looking good. Yeah, way, 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 way better than this dog water right there. Let me see what's up with this side. So yeah, 10mm socket again. That's already. Oh, there you go. But we need to get this one out. And as you can see, we have a problem. You cannot do it by a nut. So I need something else. Let me see if I have something. So I went home because the nut is not working. You need a little wrench, 10mm wrench. Will make your dreams come true. It's from this side, okay. Just for the first part. After that, you probably can just take it out with your hands. Can we already? Yeah, we can. Come on, get out of there. There you go. That's a better technique right there. Please don't fall off. As you see, I'm not a guy that usually works on motorcycles, but hey, we're going and learning. So we need this two back. Well, we need this one for later. And then we will switch to this one. It's about the same size, but I heard you can adjust them by the length. Let me see. So it is in line. Okay, so I figured it out. You can just slide this away, then you have a little bit more space. Just jiggle it around until it clicks in, and then it's just easy peasy. The fitment before the alignment was just not good. But with this one out of the way, it's way easier to do it like so. So just screw it in there for good. Just give it a little, not too hard to tap, that it's on there for good. Then it's just a matter of putting it back in. Well, just use this one first, just by hand. So now just tighten it up. Ah, yeah. It was this one. There was the 8 on there. Oh, maybe we put it on like this. And it's just a tiny bit. Not too much. Let's put it on 6 for now. Yeah. That looks good. I'm liking it. The black is matching with the handlebars. The little gold that is sticking out fits with this one. Even though it's a darker gold, but it's still better than this. I wanted to do like gold and blue, or just black and blue. But the thing is, the blue is more like a purplish, really dark blue for Raximo. And it just doesn't look good. But now it looks good. This looks good. Let me see how the clutch is working. If it's working properly, if it's even biting. Because I can maybe mess up there. It's just way too late of a bite. But let me see. Okay, so let's get in here. Let's start the bike. Yeah, it fits so good so far. Okay. Let it warm up just a little bit. Yeah, like this. This is better. Because the thingy was hitting it, so it could not, yeah, you see? It could not get properly back to there. So how we do it, we'll maybe put it like this. Maybe just, nah. I need to put it like this. Okay. Okay. So now it's, yeah, like in the really end it starts to bite. But let me see if I can. Yeah, I need my gloves, but let me see. Yeah, it going way later than the OEM one. Just by like 2 or 3 centimeters. What is big for me, but you can hear. It's biting like at the end. Yeah, we need to figure out with this one. I would just take it completely off because it's messing up the bike and the clutch. But so far, I'm liking it. Looks good. So, one problem that I already just noticed is when you do it like this, it's totally fine. It's getting like until the end, no problem. But if you have it like this, you see? I can like push it, what is it, 1 or 2 centimeters, I can push it away. Because of this, it's like a blockade for it. So we need to maybe do it like this. Then he has more space. Yeah, like this maybe, or like this. I don't know. I need to figure out a thing for this. But when I do it like this, yeah, you just see it's like getting in the way of it. So we need to maybe do it like this, or I put it completely away. Let me see. Yeah, with this, it will still do the same thing, because the one right here is hitting this gummy thing right here. Maybe I put it away, or maybe I leave it on there and I can maybe deal with it, because like this, you have just like 1 millimeter. And I guess that's okay for me. Just let me see how you do it with the length of them, because they thought you can just screw this one a little bit, and then you can push the whole thing away from there, so you have way shorter levers, and I want that. So let me see. Okay, I see. Okay, so you can get them more out, you just cannot get them more in. Okay, so I'm basically stuck with how long they are. Man, that sucks. That sucks. I was thinking like, yeah, you can maybe get a little more, or a little shorter way of them, but no. You stuck with them like this. I guess it's okay. I just did it mostly for the aesthetics of the bike. But I was hoping that I can maybe get them shorter, because I'm just a 2-finger clutch guy, 1-finger front brake guy. But yeah, I guess that's okay like this for now. I will see. I will drive with it, and I will give you a feedback on one or the other video if I'm happy with them or not. From the aesthetic point, amazing. From the working point, well, we will see. We will see. But yeah, thank you everybody for watching my little mechanical video. Like I said, I usually don't do things like this. I'm learning with you guys. So you see a noob doing it. So if I can do it, oh, I bet you can do it yourself, because I just can't do it. But you see, sometimes you can. Sometimes you can. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Ciao.